What's up, Instagram? Welcome back to another video with Everything Avon. We are back in the garage once more. Going to be finishing up the Fusion today. We're going to be knocking out the vinyl, the last bit of the vinyl. As you already saw on YouTube, I finished up the hood, finished up the trunk, which last but not least leaves the roof, which has already been cracking and peeling. So we're going to go ahead and knock that out in a time lapse so you guys can see the process from start to finish.